In this video, we're going to show you how to take notes in PDFs in Obsidian. PDF documents are commonly used for research papers, ebooks, reports, manuals, course materials, and professional documents. Being able to take notes directly while reviewing PDFs can help you capture important information, improve understanding, and make future reference much easier. Many students, researchers, professionals, and lifelong learners use Obsidian because it allows them to combine source materials, annotations, summaries, and personal insights within a single knowledge management system. However, simply storing PDFs without taking notes often makes it difficult to remember key ideas or find important information later. Valuable insights can easily get lost inside lengthy documents. The good news is that Obsidian provides tools that make it easy to work with PDFs while creating organized notes connected to your knowledge base. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to take notes in PDFs in Obsidian and create a more effective research workflow. So, let's get started. The first step is to add your PDF document to your Obsidian vault. You can place the file in a dedicated folder for research materials, books, articles, or project resources. Next, open the PDF within Obsidian. Review the document and identify important sections, concepts, findings, or ideas that are relevant to your work. Now, create a separate note dedicated to the PDF. Include basic information such as the document title, author, publication date, and subject area. As you read through the PDF, record important observations in the note. You can summarize key concepts, write down questions, capture useful quotations, and document your own interpretations of the material. Instead of copying large sections of text, focus on understanding the information and expressing it in your own words whenever possible. This can improve comprehension and make the notes more useful later. Next, organize your notes using headings and sections. For example, you might create sections for key ideas, important quotes, research findings, questions, and action items. You can also create links between your PDF notes and related notes elsewhere in your vault. This helps build connections between topics and makes information easier to discover in the future. Another useful practice is adding tags and properties that describe the document's topic, project, author, or research area. As your collection of PDF notes grows, these organizational tools can make information much easier to manage. Many users also combine PDF notes with literature notes, project notes, and research summaries to create a complete knowledge management system. In most situations, this is all you need to do. Now let's quickly recap what we covered. First, add and open your PDF in Obsidian. Second, create a dedicated note for recording observations and summaries. And third, organize and connect your notes using headings, links, tags, and properties. Remember that effective note-taking is not just about collecting information, it's about understanding ideas, creating connections, and building knowledge that you can easily revisit and apply later. Using Obsidian to take notes from PDFs can improve learning, research, and long-term information retention. This is especially useful for students, researchers, writers, professionals, and anyone working with large amounts of written material. Taking a few extra moments to create thoughtful notes while reading can provide significant benefits long after you've finished the document. And that's how to take notes in PDFs in Obsidian. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who use Obsidian. Your support helps us create more tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and productivity tips to help you get the most out of your digital tools. If there's another Obsidian feature or issue you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.